Yeah, I'm gonna showcase a script my friend made and I helped record help test. So yeah, we're gonna showcase it now. So let's begin. Okay, so let's start. So basically, what the script does, it's called grilling, and basically what the script does, in short, is it gives you the Kali Linux toolset to actually use it on various Linux distributions. Okay, so it's a very nice script. So I'm gonna quickly use my terminal to navigate to this file folder. Start. We're gonna use the ls command. Okay, we're gonna use the ls command, and we're gonna see here already pre-installed the script. So I'm gonna say cd Krillin. So this is the script name. Very nice. Me and my one friend actually helped test it, and he coded it. It's basically mostly Python, but it's very useful. So I'm gonna quickly do that. So we're in here, ls again. Okay, so then you're gonna cat the readme, type in here, the folder name, yeah, readme, and then .md. So this is basically how it works. So I'm gonna quickly explain it in short. Basically, to run it, you obviously navigate to the folder if you install it with Git. So you're gonna say git clone. Over here you see git clone, and you're gonna basically copy and paste we got the git link. So then you're gonna navigate to this to the file folder, so cd Krillin, and then you're gonna make the script so that it's executable. Okay, so you're gonna use chmod +x and then space run, and then to run root privileges you're gonna use sudo /run. Okay, and then of course when that happens, we're gonna get a nice interface, and it's gonna basically let us install a bunch of things like information gathering tools, vulnerability assessment tools, exploitation tools, web analysis, and a bunch of other things. So let me actually quickly use this. Okay, so we're gonna use, let me just quickly check here. So for me it's easier because I already have it installed, so I'm gonna use /. Let me quickly get into sudo for root privileges /run. Okay, it's gonna ask me a password, so I'm gonna quickly put my password in here. Loading up. Yeah, okay, we got this here. It's almost done loading here. So now we got the interface here. So let's say, for example, I want password attack tools. Okay, so then I would basically use this here as a guideline. I would say 6, like any other script. I would say 6, and then it's going to install me the Kali tools. Okay, although I'm still on Debian, this is basically what the tool does. It gives you the ability to use Kali Linux tools on actual other distributions. So for example, let's say I'm using Debian, which is really good, but I'm using it, and not only that, but it's actually a very lightweight system. Very runs on anything basically. So I can basically use the Kali tools without having the amount of bloat that Kali actually has. So now I basically install the tool. So let's say I go here, not this. This is Windows. It's popping up here. Let's go because I'm using a VM. So let's say I want to use John. Okay, you can see here that our password that scripts for what's on Linux, Kali Linux, is actually now here. So I want to use this. Okay, so you guys can see here, because I use the script, I now have the actual tool here. So this script, Krillin, is very nice to install, the tools you need that's on Kali, and get it on any other, Linux.